right, everybody? The one Porsche, and it's a good one. What do we got? Oh man.
This is yours?
I built it for the friend of mine over there.
Okay.
It fits so perfectly in this engine bay.
A lot of space in there, huh?
Oh, the tune-up is simple compared to a Porsche.
Yeah?
The one you don't have to worry about cam chains or tensioners. Two, the 4 spark plug comes right there, and you can get to them real easy. It would have been easier if you didn't bring me such a big intercooler.
I love it.
I want it on there. Yeah, think it's big enough?
You know, I like it. I'm a 911 purist as well, but I like it because it's still mechanically interesting, as opposed to.
It really works good.
Yeah, I mean,
Makes all the right noises.
it still makes interesting noises. It's still an interesting engine. It's
It's a 66.
really.
Yeah. It weighs 2150.
Oh my gosh. 66. Wow.
Actually, if you really want to know, it's about 5 different years.
Okay.
Frankenstein.
But 66, that makes it a short wheelbase, right?
It was.
It was. Oh, so now it. Whoa.
Actually, both front corners are different years,
Uh-huh.
and then the basic body's a different year, but then the back end's a different year too, and the doors are different year too.
Keeping them on the road.
Oh yeah.
So it's not like we took a nice Porsche and fucked it up.
Sure.
We took a refugee from the junkyard and
We gave it a second life.
It's what an awesome second life.
Rotary swap get crushed.
Yeah. Wow. Look at this. I love it.
Awesome. Good job, man.
This is cool.
It's yours?
it's a friend of mine. I built it, yeah. But he's already got like.
Look at the crowd.
Dude, he just took the whole show. I was wondering he was gonna come.
Remember the last SevenStock you brought here? It's firing it so much better.
While we do our special spread. Oh, it was still all like exposed and everything, huh?
Yeah. But like,
Can we get to the stage, please?
Yeah.
everyone was saying like, hey, this thing can't run because the welding.
Oh, yeah. Everybody, let's get me
Away to the special presentations. We're gonna raffle right after. Last minute raffle ticket purchases. You guys want to make them? They're still selling tickets out there. Thank you guys. Make your way to the stage, please. The presentation, so we're gonna get this going. All right.
That is a Volvo hydroelectric power steering pump.
I don't know why everyone's gathered around the 4Runner.
All right. We're gonna bring up
Rotary-swapped Corvette is the cooler car.
Just like my old bus.
Trying to run away from Ely. Here we go, coming to house, Harley Cross, Toronto, the height of an entangle of life in MLS on Fox is sponsored by Audi.
Anybody still in? Okay, I'm gonna read the whole number, that way you guys finish. 680-8579. 680-8579, come get your tires. Anybody, tires? No? Hey, the rules at the raffle this year is that I get to take anything nobody collects. Come on, little 914.